Ever feel like you're always dragging, like you're a car running on fumes? You might blame it on your busy lifestyle or stress, but the culprit could actually be a vitamin D deficiency. It's the vitamin most of us take for granted, almost as much as we do with free Wi-Fi. But it's vital for keeping our bodies in top form. Picture Jane. She's 35, loves coffee, hates mornings, and adores her cat named Whiskers. She's busy, just like you and me, but recently she's been dragging herself through the day. It got so bad that even Whiskers started looking concerned. When Jane finally gets her blood work done, bam! She's low on the sunshine vitamin, as they call it. So don't be a Jane. Or do be a Jane, but the enlightened vitamin D-rich version. Let's dive into the 9 signs you might be lacking in vitamin D. This isn't just your everyday tiredness or occasional crabbiness. We're talking persistent symptoms that might be derailing your quality of life. Number 1, the tiredness trap. Feeling constantly exhausted isn't normal. You sleep well, yet you wake up feeling like you pulled an all-nighter. Your energy is so low, you're practically scraping the bottom of the barrel. Why? Because vitamin D plays an essential role in energy production in our cells. If you're consistently low on juice, you might be low on vitamin D. It's time to investigate, folks. Don't let chronic tiredness dictate your life. Number 2, Moody Blues. We all have days when we're down, but if you find that your lows are lasting longer than your highs, it's a sign you need to pay attention. Your emotional landscape might be more barren than you think. Vitamin D helps produce serotonin, a hormone that elevates our mood. Being deficient can seriously throw your emotions out of whack. Don't ignore the constant clouds. Look for the sunshine, literally and figuratively. Number 3, achy muscles. You're not an athlete, but your muscles are aching as if you've just run a marathon. Your muscles are practically sending you a help wanted ad, requesting an immediate supply of vitamin D. It's a sign that your body lacks vitamin D, which is crucial for muscle function. Persistent muscle pain might be your body's way of flashing a low battery warning. Number 4, the cold magnet. It's not just bad luck that you're catching every cold that goes around. Your immune system is your body's security system, and vitamin D is the security guard. If you're often sick, your security guard might be asleep on the job. Number 5, bone to pick. Unexplained bone pain, especially in the back, can make daily activities feel like Herculean tasks. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, which is essential for bone health. A deficiency can leave your bones weak and you in discomfort or pain. Number 6, hairy scary. Does your shower drain look like it's auditioning for a horror movie because of all the hair you're losing? It's a hairy situation, quite literally, and it's alarming. Believe it or not, vitamin D is crucial for hair growth. Think of it as the fertilizer for your hair follicles. When there's not enough vitamin D in the system, your follicles might go into sleep mode, causing an unwelcome increase in hair loss. It's as if they're saying, hey, wake us up when you've got the right nutrients. This is more than a cosmetic issue. It's a sign your body is lacking something fundamental. Then it's high time to see if vitamin D deficiency is the root of the problem. Consult a healthcare provider for a proper diagnosis. Number 7, heal slowly, feel poorly. Ever feel like your body is stuck in low power mode when it comes to healing? You scrape your knee and suddenly it's a month-long drama, worthy of a soap opera storyline. This isn't just about bad luck, it's about biology. Vitamin D isn't just for strong bones and sunny dispositions. It's vital for cell regeneration and repair. Imagine your cells are construction workers, and vitamin D is their toolkit. Without the right tools, those workers are stumbling around, taking far too long to fix even the simplest problems. Slow healing isn't just an inconvenience. It's your body's signal urging you to look into your vitamin D levels. If you're experiencing this kind of drawn-out healing, it's time for a checkup. Number 8, foggy brain. You know that feeling when you walk into a room and you're suddenly at a loss, wondering, why did I come in here? It's like your brain is wrapped in a thick mist and you're navigating without a compass. You put your keys in the fridge, your phone in the laundry, and you're starting to wonder if you're in a comedy movie, except you're the only one not laughing. This is more than just a senior moment or stress-induced forgetfulness. Vitamin D plays a critical role in cognitive functions, including memory, attention, and problem-solving skills, and causing what feels like a perpetual fog inside your head. If you've noticed this pattern and it's affecting your work or personal life, it's time to consult a healthcare professional. Lack of vitamin D might be the root cause, and addressing it can be a game changer for your mental clarity. Number 9. Pressure cooker. High blood pressure and you're not sure why. It might be more than stress or diet. It could be a vitamin D deficiency. This overlooked vitamin helps regulate blood pressure by controlling the balance of calcium and phosphate in your bloodstream. Consistently high readings might be your body's cry for more vitamin D. If lifestyle changes like exercise and diet aren't helping, it's time to check those vitamin D levels. Now that we've broken down the symptoms, what's next? First, don't panic. Vitamin D deficiency is common and usually easy to fix. You can get vitamin D from sun exposure, certain foods, and supplements. But before you go swallowing a bottle of vitamin D pills or sunbathing for 8 hours straight, consult with a healthcare professional. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.